Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to check and understand your Cash App daily spending limit so you can manage your payments without any surprise. Okay, first open the Cash App on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select limits or account limits. This section shows your current daily and weekly spending limits for sending money. You will see how much you can send per day and per week. And if you want to increase this limit, and you may need to verify your account, verify your identity by providing additional information. If you haven't verified your account, your daily spending limit will be lower. Verification lets you send up to $7,500 per week. That's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.